Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, ha. Let's do Super Mario. I said let's go, cause I am all the best. It's okay, cause I'm better than the rest. Smoking weed every day, getting high, cause I'm dying. It's okay, bitch, cause I got your mom crying. Don't wanna try to sit on my lap. It's okay, cause I just give you a slap on the ass, cause you know that I'm smoking all this grass. It's okay, cause I throw your ass right in the past, cause I'm the best rapper you will ever see. It's okay, cause you know that you can't beat me. ABC, S to G, that's what you fucking got. It's okay, cause I beat you like my fucking cousin Scott. Don't wanna play, cause I say it every day. It's okay, cause bitches call me Double OJ, cause I am the best. I'm the best at this game. It's okay, cause I just treat you all the fucking same. Cause you don't wanna try to be fly. It's okay, cause I am a hot guy. Don't wanna go quick, don't wanna go sick. It's okay, cause I made your mom my bitch. You don't wanna play. It's okay, cause I say it every day. Hey, call me Double OJ with a T. It's okay, cause you can't beat me. I am the best and I'm better than the rest. It's okay, cause I put you in a cardiac arrest, cause I got my bulletproof vest and I'm rapping quick. It's okay, why the fuck your bitch on my dick? Cause I am the best and all the rest. It's okay, cause I smoke weed. I am the best in this game. I say it every day. It's okay, cause I am the best. Cause I'm better than all the rest. Got my Hollister in my vex. Gotta take some dicks, gotta get on my dick. It's okay, cause you just gotta get, cause I'm sick. Cause I am the best, I'm better than the rest. Put you in the cardiac arrest.